Hello guys, hope you all are fine and doing well. So in this video we're gonna see that how we can change the color of shirt or clothes, especially when these are in dark colors like dark black, navy blue or something like that. So it became kind of critical when we need to change a dark color to a bright color. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm making a quick selection around the object that we want to change the color, and I'm just doing it real quick as it's not a selection tutorial. By the way, I'm using my alt key to subtract from the selection. I guess this is fine, just a little bit here as well, and I'm using my brackets to change the size of brush. Okay, I guess this is fine. Okay, after making the selection, I'm clicking on this group icon. I'm just creating this group, so whenever we change the color, it affects on all the layers that we are going to use. So basically we are just going to add two layers. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm clicking on the layer mask. This will create a mask around the subject that we just selected. What we have to do next, just go to adjustment layer and click on levels. I will tell you in a second that how actually it works. So next thing what we have to do, go to adjustment layer once again and click on a solid color. You can take any color for now. Okay, for example, I'm choosing this one. So next what we have to do, staying on this color icon, change the blending mode from normal to the color. Okay, so we have changed our blending mode as well and add the layers as well. So you can see that if we want to change the shade color to a dark color, for example, we wanted to change it from black to kind of navy blue, we can do it right here by just double clicking on this color icon and changing the color. You can see that the dark colors are working quite fine. Okay, this is kind of red color, so these are working fine. So what we have to do, for example, we want to change the shirt color to a bright color. What we have to do for that, we have to click this levels icon. So let me explain a little bit how it actually works. So you can see there are two sliders here. One, the left slider tells that if there are dark pixels in the photo, how dark that pixel should be, and on the right side, the slider tells if there are bright pixels in the image, how bright that pixel should be. So I am telling it that if there are dark pixels in the photo, don't let them too dark. I mean, just don't use too dark pixels. So for example, I just moved this slider here. So for example, I want to change this shirt color to the brightest one. I mean, yes, the white one. Double click on this and click on this hue button, so we can shift our this bubble to a bright area, I mean the white one. So I'm clicking here and then move this slider here. Now you can see it is a kind of gray because we told the Photoshop that the dark pixels, how dark pixels that can engage with this image. Now we have to tell the Photoshop that the dark pixels are, I mean, we have to tell that you just have to use the bright pixels only. So I'm just shifting this slider a little bit more this way. Okay, this is kind of fine. Now we have to play these sliders a little bit as well, so it became a kind of more realistic. So let's do it. Now you can see that the I mean a kind of real stuff, realistic kind of thing is becoming prominent when I'm moving the slider from right side to the left side. So basically the center slider is merely help to keep the things kind of realistic. So let's move the slider as well a little bit to the left side, and I guess this is fine. So you can see the work is kind of perfectly done, but there is a kind of little bit error in the selection, which we can make a little bit more better.